Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading Be You by Peter H. Reynolds. Please enjoy. Be you. You were born to be so many things. My wish for you, no matter where your journey leads, is for you to always be you. Be ready to take what next step towards being an amazing human being. Be curious. Turn every stone, ask every way, and keep digging deeply. Discover your own answers. Be adventurous. Live a big life. When you are ready, step outside your comfort zone. Bravely explore new paths and see where they lead you. Be connected. Find kinder spirits. Be with those who make you feel like you're the real you. Kinder spirits. Be persistent. Keep going, never stop. Keep going, never stop. Keep going, never stop. I agree. I see a lot of people not taking their adventures where they should lead them. Be different. Be silly. Be quirky. Be odd. Be unique. Be weird. Be colorful. Be okay with being different. Be just the way you are. Be kind. Be understanding. Help those around you to be themselves. Listen. Then listen some more. Learn more about who they are. Be brave. Try new things. Take a deep breath and plunge forward into new experience. It gets easier every time you try. Be your own thinker. Think of yourself and set your own unique course. It isn't always easy, but you'll be heading in the direction of you. Be okay being alone. Take time to be on your own. Hear your own thoughts, your inner voice. Listen to your heart. Be patient. Being more, you take time. Take a deep breath. Relax. Let your future unfold at its own pace. It will be worth the wait. Be okay reaching out for help. When you need a helping hand, a compassionate ear, and encouraging word, reach out. As you journey out into the world, remember, no matter what, you will always be loved. You are ready, so go ahead, be you. Be very, very you. Yeah, I agree. Be yourself, people. And believe in yourself. All I've got to say.
You can feel confident Continental is the smart choice in tires.
And to handle extremes?
Yep. Tested from the Texas desert to near the Arctic Circle. Really? Anything for the guy?
Well, everybody,
Yeah.
I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, share it, and if you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell, and whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and take care. And thanks for watching.